Welcome to Ralph Bender's YouTube Shortwave radio channel.
Ring the bell and never miss another video.
Hello there and welcome to this month's World Service Programme. I'm speaking to you from our studio here in Chelmsford in the UK and reaching you via our transmission relay partners on shortwave, medium wave or FM, or via our listening online service through our website. And I hope I find you well today and enjoying the slightly warmer temperatures that we're experiencing here in the UK, where and I hope you stay tuned for this month's edition of the Radio Talk World Service.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Wherever you are listening, welcome to Radio Ematok.
We welcome your reception reports, your wireless memories, and your comments. Send your email to ematok1922@gmail.com. Wherever you are, you're with Radio Ematok.
This is Radio Ematok. Calling the world, calling the world.
Hello, CQ. Hello.
Made with other like-minded radio people or groups. And I'm pleased to say that Radio Amatok's family of radio friends continues to grow. On February the 6th, it was good to hear our friends at Scandinavian Weekend Radio back on the air for their first broadcast of 2021. Scandinavian Weekend Radio is a private station transmitting from Vira in Finland on the first Saturday of the month on shortwave, medium wave and FM. Originally established in 1999 by a group of radio hobbyists, they're still going strong today. And we are fortunate that our programme is part of their broadcasting schedule. If you haven't heard their transmissions, here's a small taste of Scandinavian Weekend Radio.
This is Scandinavian Weekend Radio, the Finnish independent shortwave station.
Scandinavian Weekend Radio.
These are the sounds that you want to hear. Coming over loud and clear. Radio music.
This program is coming to you from studios in Virat in Finland. This is Scandinavian Weekend Radio.
Greetings to all members and details coming up of how to join this informative organisation. Also I mentioned for an interesting YouTube channel produced by one of our regular listeners from Germany, Ralph Bender. Ralph regularly uploads videos covering all types of radio listening to this channel, including reception of us. So we recommend viewing and subscribing to this interesting site. Simply visit youtube.com/Ralph Bender. That's RALFBENDER. And if you would like us to give out details of your DX First or radio organisation, just get in contact. Our email address is ematok1922, that's EMMATOC1922 @gmail.com. And here's a recap for the British DX Club and Ralph's YouTube channel.
If you're a DXer, then you should join BDXC. BDXC produces an excellent monthly magazine called Communication, often running up to 60 pages, covering the world of shortwave, medium wave, and FM. Plus, radio stations in the United Kingdom, the most comprehensive directory of radio stations in Britain and Ireland. For more information, visit the website bdxc.org.uk. That's bdxc.org.uk. The British DX Club, the #1 DX Club in the United Kingdom.
Ihre Interessen im Kurzwellen- und Mittelwellenradio, Logins, Utility-Station, Amateurfunk und mehr? Dann besuchen Sie doch mal meinen YouTube-Kanal Ralph Bender Shortwave Radio Channel auf youtube.com/Ralph Bender. Ich wiederhole, youtube.com/Ralph Bender. Danke und hoffentlich bis bald. Ihr Ralph Bender.
Welcome to Ralph Bender's YouTube Shortwave radio channel.
You're listening to the Radio Amateur World Service, and this section are Friends in Radio.
Seriously about life?
Naga. But it's good fun all the same.
Try a dose of Radio Sweden at 11:45 p.m. Central European Time on 254 meters or on shortwave. Here, you can't spell. Oh, no, I got the code to the dose. Not smell, spell. You can't spell Saturday show like that. But anyway you spell it, the Radio Sweden Saturday show smells fine. Oh, fine. Yes? What do you want? Who are you, anyway?
I'm from Radio Sweden. I just want to tell the world to be nice. Radio Sweden. Stuff like that. It'll all be nice, and we can play songs together.
Radio Sweden. Confused radio for
And Douglas Copeland in Manitoba, Canada. And finally, a special greeting to Richard Lemke in Alberta, Canada, who tunes into all of our broadcasts on WRMI and keeps us updated on reception conditions. Much appreciated, Richard, as indeed are all the reports and emails that we receive from you all. We do welcome your reception reports and your comments, and we are very pleased that you are enjoying our programme. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of this normal 30-minute World Service show for this month. If you're listening to one of our 1-hour time slots on WRMI, Channel292, or Scandinavian Weekend Radio, then I invite you to stay tuned for another 30-minute trial music programme from the Radio Amateur World Service, entitled The Wireless Years, where I'll be playing vintage music dating back to the 1930s. And as always, this show will be available to listen to via our online streaming service. Just visit our website at www.ematok.com, that's EMMATOC.com, and click on the World Service section. And again, as always, let us know what you think and if you'd like to hear more. And I'll be back with you again next month for another normal World Service transmission. Until the next time, don't forget to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Happy listening, take care, and from me, Jim Salmon, goodbye.